Welcome back, everyone. A big bear hug for each one of you for staying with me when I wasn't uploading a single video for quite a long time because I was kind of what's wrong with this shirt? Okay, I was kind of occupied with some other thing which I had to take care of it because that's a part of life, right? The personal shit. And I got to know that I had become way too lazy and I wasn't doing anything after that. And at some point of time I felt like I shouldn't be doing YouTube, or maybe I had no idea. Still, I don't have any idea, to be honest. But then I thought staying idle is useless as shit. So I'm back again here to bore you or entertain you or waste your time or to give you valuable information or whatever the way you can take. So this video, as you could see from the title itself, what I have been doing and what are my quarantine favorite. In a sense, quarantine favorite, the thing which we have been doing in quarantine, like it's been more than 3 months now. So some of the things are there which we are following continuously, quite religiously. So those have become quite favorite. So those are the things which I would love to share with you guys. And yes, let's get into the video. So the first and foremost thing which is my favorite and also keeping me sane is my newest novel. Yes, To the Lighthouse, Virginia Woolf. I love Virginia Woolf so much. She's a female writer from 20th century, quite famous. On top of that, Stream of Consciousness is her line. And also, I wanted to read this book for such a long time, which I got it as a gift. Thank you so much. And To the Lighthouse, yes, this is quite favorite at the moment whenever I feel like I am being idle and I am wasting my time. I just grab this book and read 2-3 pages, at least 5 pages a day, and it gets me rolling quite good. So my second favorite is ginger lime honey tea. Ginger honey lime tea, in whichever way and whatever way is possible and suitable for you guys. Those who have been following me in Instagram, I'm quite active out there. I have shared this once in my story because the normal day routine and everything I do share. I'm quite active. You can follow me in my Instagram. Down there is a link. And yes, this has been quite therapeutic for me, and I had discovered this in my quarantine days itself, and I'm loving it. I'm continuously into it. But your girl has a heartburn, or whatever, what do we say, stomach burn? Yes, because of the ginger, I guess. So but then also I do continue at least 3 or 4 times in a week. Oh, it's so soothing, and the refreshing lime flavor is on the top, the cherry on the top. So here comes the third thing, which is my kind of way too favorite these days in quarantine, is related to skincare, of course. And I got to see a huge difference by using this. Is my Unlock Mixify Skin Serum Anti-Acne, reduces dark spots, cleanses deeply. I discovered this and I've been using this. It's been more than a month and still half of the material or the thing is still left in the bottle, and it's doing wonderful job. It's doing tremendous. I mean, like, there's no word which can describe the benefit of this one. And I would like to recommend this to the people who are suffering from acne spots which still there. It reduces that way too good. After cleansing, I use this, and after that, after 2 or 3 minutes of using this, I use my moisturizer and then go to bed. Tomorrow, the next morning, it feels heavenly soft and smooth with the skin. So this is my, like, one of these favorite. Yes, of course, the quarantine favorite. I can't be without this a single day. And finally, the last but last but not the least is my all-time favorite and have been favorite even in this quarantine is my green diary. Again, those who follow me in Instagram knows about it because I do post some of the pages from this book which I do write down. Sometimes only those which I can share and I want to share with you guys, and some of you have been loving it. Thank you so much for that. So grateful that you guys are loving. And yeah, also I am quite frequent, and oh my god, too much of light, quite frequent. I do write almost every single day, and this is also a kind of therapy. Like lately when you don't have anything to do, especially in this quarantine, the lockdown thing, when you have nothing to do and the same routine to be followed every single day, it's kind of a mental torture, you know. Every single one of you might have been going through the same thing. So I would like to recommend to you guys to try engaging yourself in something which you love and also reduces your stress level. I've been very frustrated and stressed out, but then while writing, while reading these books, writing down my feelings, my thoughts, whatever is going on in my mind, drinking this ginger lime honey tea and taking care of myself, my skin, my body has been such a wonderful therapy for me. So that is the main reason why I wanted to share the quarantine favorite with you all guys. Well, I needed some kind of therapy every single day, kind of my therapy every single day. So I try to do all these things. It makes me feel so good and relaxed. It gives me the refreshing feelings which we need at this point of time when we are locked inside one room, all alone, doing nothing. That is it. I hope you guys love this video, and yeah, also love my new site. And if you guys love it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know what kind of video you would love to watch. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself, take care of the people around you, stay in contact, in touch with your friends, your family members. It will be very, very helpful for you. Bye bye, see you in the next video.